Good morning. Well, good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. We are heading down to Siam Paragon just to check it out. We haven't been there yet this round, and it's an amazing mall. So we're gonna go see what changed, and probably go bowling, probably eat some food, just have a fun little Sunday evening. We stopped by the dentist right by our place, and we're checking because Jarrell has this one tooth that gets sensitive when he eats something hot then cold or cold then hot. So something's going on with the nerve. So we just have to check what they're saying. They said it's a free. Oh, the train's here. Free examination, and then I was asking about like an X-ray just to make sure. They said it's 150 for the X-ray, 150 baht, so like $4, and then treatment plan from there. Oh my gosh, you guys, everybody and their mama is out here. Holy crap. ในส่วนของโฟนชาร์ปค่ะซึ่งกิจกรรมโฟนชาร์ปก็นี่เลยโอ้โหหลายคนกำลังแบบ Hey guys, we ended up in Swadika. We ended up in what are we in Jarrell? Zara home? No, H&M home. And they have the cutest stuff, you guys, but it is a little bit pricey. You're gonna pay for, that extra luxury. But they have the best stuff, especially the room scents like these. Oh my god, so good. I mean, this is not bad. It's not what, $4? Okay, fine, it's crazy. $4 for this, but it's so cute. And then these kind of vase. Oh, I love them. I want everything from Zara home, H&M home, IKEA. Oh my god. Oh, these are not bad for about $2 porcelain plates. These are super cute. I like these actually. But if it was white or cream, these would be amazing. I want one of these trees, you guys, in the house, but not this big because the house is too small for this one. But I want something like this, just a smaller size. But I want a big plant. Yeah, the prices for some of these things aren't bad. I don't know if I'm getting like, thinking I'm moving bricks or something, but the prices are not bad, I don't think. You guys, the smells in this place, especially these home stores, oh my god, that's what I want my house to smell like. Okay, what is over here? We have not even touched a piece of this mall yet. It is ridiculous the amount of places you can go in here. It's gonna take us more than this one trip. I don't remember where we walked the last time we came here, but yeah, we're just walking around a little bit. We're gonna find some food because we're always hungry, and then play some games or whatever and just chill. hopped on into a free concert, you guys. They are down there bopping, okay? People are screaming. The crowd's going wild. I don't know what's happening, what they saying, but oh my gosh, you guys, this mall is definitely one to stop by. And I'm trying to remember if I did a video before when we were here the last time, but this mall is it. Okay, I am in love again. Definitely check it out. You guys, we're not gonna find anything to eat in here. I mean, there's food. There's just more people than ants at this point. Oh my goodness. Look at this place. All right, let's see if we can find food. All right, you guys, so over there was way overwhelming, so we just came outside, and then Siam Center is right here, and then you have Siam Discovery also, but we're just coming over here to Siam Center to find food because, like I said, over there was super overwhelming. It was so packed. I really didn't film anything because my anxiety. But yeah, let's see if over here is a little bit better. It is a Sunday. It is crazy. Everybody's here, but let's see what we can find. This is the cutest little restaurant, you guys. Oh my goodness. They keep feeding us candies, you guys. So we ended up buying the bag. Gerald wanted one of the variety packs. It was 80 baht, so like under $2. But they're good, and they make the candy fresh right here in front of you. All right, we're gonna keep going. How was bowling, Jarrell?
Good.
We had an awesome day, you guys. There's still just a ton of people here. Everybody's doing something at some point. There's a spot every floor with a gazillion people. I don't know what they're doing, but something's always going on over here. We're gonna go look dessert. Ooh, yum. Hey guys, I told you there is something going on everywhere. It is so crazy. I think they were exercising. I don't know, but I want to be a part of that. Whatever they're doing, I want in. You guys, look at this Starbucks. We're not going to go in, but it's a whole thing. It's a Starbucks reserve, so of course they're like extra. But yeah, we came over to Central World because it's like just a couple of seconds, okay, not seconds, but maybe 5 or so minutes less walk. They're all in the same area. So just walking around here, taking in what's going on over the weekend. We stopped to grab some water, you guys. 10 baht for water.